Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about our recent launch of Xiaomi. So that is a new water dispenser. So we are going to talk about this new water dispenser in this video. So before going into this video, the main an intro video is Xiaomi is so famous for its smartphones, earphones, earbuds, smartwatch, fitness bands and so. But on the other side, this company is working on mini home appliances, and they're just changing those home appliances with help of technology, foldable fans, electric brushes, and lamps and so. They have made many lots of products like this. So in this we are going to talk about this water dispenser, which has been launched like 3 days before. So the first thing is about this product is the product name is Morphen. So the product name is Morphen Pocket Hot Water Dispenser. So as the name suggests, here you can go only for hot water. There is no option for cooling the water. So that is quite a drawback, which I personally feel from my point of view, because in our places like in India and as well, here the temperature is so high and we need cool water. Like cold water is so much in need for us. So for person like me, I personally feel like there might be an option for cooling as well, but we can't do anything because the product has been launched right now. So coming next to this point, this product has been launched with help of crowdsourcing platform, that is Youpin. So Xiaomi's like usually they do all those home appliances products with help of this Youpin. That is a crowdsourcing platform. So for those people who doesn't know what is this crowdsourcing platform, I have like the theme of this about crowdsourcing platform, then this 1 minute is for you. So basically crowdsourcing platform in the sense, if you have any ideas of creating some products with help of technology and so on, but you feel I don't have money, I don't have right investment and so on, so like full fears, then I have a good news for you. You can use this crowdsourcing platforms where you can say give your ideas, and where the ideas will be published to this open world. So whoever is interested will start saying yes, I like this product, and they'll just start paying you a certain amount of money, which you will be finalizing with you and the company, like the crowdsourcing platform here. So after you just reach a certain limit, like a target which you may fix, and then you can start manufacturing the products, and then you can start giving to the people who is in need with your own brain. So at the end of the day, you'll be having your profit with your product, which has been reached to many people in the world. So that is so cool. So this is about this crowdsourcing platform. So coming back to our product, so basically what's the thing here about this water dispenser is basically it can boil the water. So like what is it, it can just heat the waters in just 4 seconds. So that is the main hook of this water dispenser. So basically there are many water heaters like instant water heaters, so on, so 3-star, 5-star and so, but no water heater can heat the water within 4 seconds. But here we are, Xiaomi's water dispenser can heat within 4 seconds. So this is mainly due to the technology which is used in it, that is non-thermal boiling technology. So frankly speaking, I have no idea what is this technology about. I tried to Google it, I did lots of research and so, but there is not a correct place where I can know about it. So instead of blabbering, I'll just frankly accept it that I have no idea about this technology. But Xiaomi has used this technology to just boil the water within 4 seconds. That is the thing. And coming next to the point is about its physical features, how the water dispenser looks and so. So basically Xiaomi is giving us 4 options of temperatures. So basically it is 45 degrees Celsius, then 60 degree, 85 degree and 100 degrees Celsius. So you can choose your temperature to boil or heat your water. And coming next, there is a scale of millimeter, like how much water you can fill. So the highest point is like 500 millimeter and the lowest is 120 millimeter. So 120 millimeter, then 240 millimeter, then you can fill up to 360 millimeters, then 500 millimeters. That's it. So in the sense, you can heat the water up to like half a liter, and in addition to that, there is a small like attachment on the top of the water dispenser where you can attach any type of water bottles in this world. This is not my statement, it is a statement given by the company. So we have to wait. I'll try to give a review on it. So you can take any water bottle and you can fix it, and you can give the temperature and the measurement, like how much you want for heating the waters, and everything is done. That's it. So coming next to the point is about its price. So on its baseline, before talking about its price and source, the main thing which I want to say here is about its portability, which is so useful. If you take people like me in India, we are not too much into like boiling water and stuff, but there are plenty of peoples in the world who needs boiling water in their day-to-day routine. So for those people, this is so useful. It is so portable, and it can fit in a woman's handbag. So that is the primary statement. So you can use it. It is fairly foldable, portable, all sorts of things are available. So coming back, price. So the base price of this product is 3,500 Indian rupees. But what to do? This Xiaomi has reduced this price, like an offer price, which is valid till June 18, 2020. That is today. So the price of this will be like 2,100 Indian bucks. So that is Indian rupees. So if you convert into US dollars, like 200 is like 30 US dollars, which will be like a reasonable price. Which I personally feel, because in our Indian rupees, 2,000 for a water dispenser of this much of like what to say, all these things, it is so good. So in my point of view, this is so good. But Xiaomi, like they might have added this cooling stuff as well, because it will be so useful for us for making juice and so, and lots of stuff. So that's the thing. So in my personal review, this is so good. And coming to the final point is, it is now available only in China. If you want to know more about these stuffs, I'll put the link in the description about its product view and everything. There you can know about it. And there is a video which is made by Xiaomi. I'll put those links in the description. You can get a view how it is done and so. And coming to the next point, we have to wait for it. So it will be launched globally in all major countries around the world. So what do you think about it? My personal suggestion, you can say it is good depending upon your personal use. So this is the end of this video. And before ending this video, my small like theme of making this video is basically, if you have any ideas in making any technology stuffs and so, please don't give up. There are many places where you can make your dream come true. Please don't look for bank loans. I have to take from my grandfather, mother, blah 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 blah, which is not a good option. So there are many crowdsourcing platforms like Kickstarter and so. So if you have dream, please try to achieve it, and you can get it. That's it. So this is the end of this video. So hope so you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.